Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of the storm. Mostly it should just be very breezy today until this evening when we're due 15 to 25 centimeters more of snow. So let's see what happens. Oh, the imprint of the door.
I don't think the cats will get under that.
I think it snowed a bit.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Is the sky like the color of your eyes? Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Did you steal letters out of the rabbit rock? That is naughty. Girls.
Walk with me.
That's for the piggies.
Let's leave the past behind. Walk with
Yummy,
me.
yummy. Got nice lettuce. Up.
There's sunshine, light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
So, we're in a blizzard and we've run out of gas or petrol, and it's in that car in a petrol can. So I'm having to revert to my manual snowblower. Hey, Bridget, your mother's a snowblower!
It's like not imaginable, right? Oh, how cool is this? It's beautiful.
How much snow do you think that is?
That's got to be a metre. I climbed over bridge. There's Marcus under there somewhere. Bit.
Don't argue in.
We need to. Oh no, there goes the snow bank.
Oh my god, look at the post box. Jeez. this snowstorm seems perfect for our bathroom. It's actually finally getting done, and we're due that snow tonight, so hopefully tomorrow we'll crack on with the bathroom again.